To start level 1 part-time within the limit of the available free spots, you will have to pay 500 to reserve your spot and 1,500 until the first month that you will start, which will cover a period of 6 months. The average monthly financial responsibility for the first 6 months would be £250, 2,500 until the first of the 7th month since you started, which makes it 6 months after, basically. 3,500 until the first of the 13th month since you started after 1 year, and 4,500 until the first of the 19th month since you started after 1 year and 6 months, basically. Shortly, the payment consists in reserving your spot and 4 installments in the beginning of each 6 months for a period of 2 years and a total of £12,500. In the part-time team, the members have limited time for practice because of a temporary job eating their time daily. To be able to keep up with results closely to the full-time team results, you want to start pair programming with another colleague from the part-time and you will work together on projects. 2 part-time workers should be able to keep up the pace with a single full-time resource or even better. To join a team and practice daily, subscribe to Join Wow Dope and apply.